Hi everyone, it is Monday, June 9th, and we just had a box arrive. So this actually came from the UK, and I'm super excited about it. This is a custom Jew and Draft Horse stablemate that was done by Lauren of Full Moon Custom Tack, I want to say that's what it's called. I have a couple of her other customs, but this is one that I had missed out on when it came up for sale like 9-10 years ago. So, really excited about it. So, we'll get into this, see what we have. Wait, there we go. Right. Making our way through. Sort of. Okay. We're getting there. Pretty much. Slowly but surely. More slowly. Okay. Gonna get it. It's a small struggle, but we're nearly there. Okay. Get this. Alrighty. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at how adorable. Oh, my phone's not gonna cooperate, but this is adorable. Like I said, I'm so excited about this one. I couldn't believe when I saw it come up for sale, and I felt like I couldn't reach out to the seller, fast enough. So I am so excited. Ugh, so adorable. Alrighty, I'm gonna go get some pictures of this little gem and get those posted on Facebook. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Have a good one. Bye.